Welcome to our final tutorial, where we will look into building a program to make the robot pick up an object, carry it and drop it. To accomplish this, the program will consist of three parts. 1. Moving the robot on a straight black line. 2. Picking up the object, turning it around and carrying it. 3. After exiting the black line, the robot will put the object down and turn away. Before we start building the program, remember to choose the appropriate port numbers. Per the previous tutorials, remember your settings, speed and time values are arbitrary. Let's open the Makeblock program and start building the program. Drag the Makeblock and place it into the workspace. From the control list, drag the Forever block and place it under the Makeblock. Keep in mind, from now on, all the remaining blocks will be placed inside the open frame of the Forever block. For the first part, we will have the robot follow the black line. Please refer to our old tutorials for some more details. Start by dragging the if-then-else command and place it within the Forever frame. To have the robot move forward, two conditions must be met. Condition 1, at least 150 millimeters in front of the robot must be clear. Condition 2, the line follower must detect the black line. To achieve this, from the operators list, drag the AND hex and place it inside the groove of the if-then-else. On one side of the hex block, place the greater than block. In the greater side of the greater than block, drag in the ultrasonic sensor and type in 15 in the lesser than side. Next, place an equals block in the other box of the AND command. In one of the boxes, drag in the line follower block and type in the other number 1. Below the if section, place the command turn right at the speed of 100 and place a wait block. After the else section, add in a run forward block and set the speed. Duplicate the whole frame of the if then else and place it under the original frame, where you will change the direction to turn left and type in 2 with the line follower. For the second part, when the robot detects an object within the range of 150 mm, it will lower the arm, close the gripper on the object, hold and lift it. Then it will turn until it detects the black line again and follow it. Add if-then block and insert it into the hex groove of the AND hex block. Add the less than block. Drag the ultrasonic sensor to the lesser than side and type in 14 in the other box. Drag in an equals block. Drag a line follower block and place it in one of the boxes, and in the other type in 4. Inside the if-then frame, place a set encoder motor angle and speed and set it at 630 degrees, which will make the arm move downwards about 90 degrees. The reason we type in 630 instead of 90 is because the arm gear is 7 times bigger than the drive gear of the motor. In other words, for the arm gear to rotate a full rotation, the drive gear, which is the output of the motor, has to rotate 7 times. If you want to move the arm 10 degrees, for example, you will need to multiply it by 7, which is equal to 70, which you then type into the program. In this case, 90 degrees is multiplied by 7, hence 630. Add a wait command. Drag set encoder motor speed and choose the appropriate port, then set to speed 100. Add a wait command for 2.5 seconds. Add set motor speed again and set the speed to 0 and add a wait command. Drag another set encoder motor angle and speed block and set the angle to minus 630 degrees to move the arm up 90 degrees. Add a wait command as well. Place a turn right command at the speed of 100. Now we want the robot to turn back and move in a straight line with the object. To do that, we will program the robot to turn until it detects a black line and then move along it. From the control list, select Wait Until. In the hex groove, place an equals hex block. In one side, place in a line follower and in the other type in 0. Drag a move forward block at the speed of 0 and a wait block. For the third part of the program, we want the robot to drop the object if it meets one of the two following conditions. If the robot exits the black line, or if a hand is placed less than 80 millimeters in front of the ultrasonic sensor. Then the robot will drop the object, turn around and continue to move along the black line. Add another if-then block. In the groove, place an OR block. In one side, create a combined command of ultrasonic sensor less than 8. In the other side, create a combined command of line follower equals 0. In the frame of the if-then, place a move forward at speed of 0 and a wait 1 second. Set encoder angle and speed to 630 degrees and wait 1 second. Set motor speed to -100 to release the gripper and wait 2.5 seconds. Set encoder motor angle and speed to -630 degrees and wait 1 second. Turn right at the speed of 100. Wait until. In the groove, place the combined command of line follower equals 0. Run forward at speed of 0 and wait 1 second. And finally, as usual, upload the program into your robot, observe the outcome and adjust as you find necessary. We would like to thank you for watching our series on how to program the Makeblock Ultimate 2 robot. We would like to give special thanks to the Makeblock channel for their tutorial videos on the MBot and also for acknowledging our efforts by posting our videos on their YouTube channel. We'd also like to give special thanks to Sergey Barsky, whose videos helped us to begin our work. Thanks for watching. On behalf of the Broome Community Resource Centre, our supporters, Muzz and myself, thanks very much.